Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping a Windows machine that actually runs Paint 3D. Install and update Paint 3D, sign into your Microsoft account, and enable OneDrive so files sync automatically. Once done, decide how you'll access the PC from mobile. Microsoft Remote Desktop for built-in security or Parsec/AnyDesk if you need easier NAT traversal and lower latency. Make sure the PC stays on and sleep is disabled. That keeps the session reachable when you attempt the mobile connection. Next, configure the remote access layer precisely. Enable Remote Desktop on Windows or install Parsec/AnyDesk and sign in. Test a local connection first to confirm responsiveness. Once connected, set the host display to 1920 x 1080 or lower to reduce bandwidth and enable touch or mouse emulation, mapping so Paint 3D responds to taps and stylus input. If you use direct RDP from outside your network, open the firewall and forward the RDP. Finally, launch the mobile client and connect to your prepared PC. Open Paint 3D inside the remote session, use pinch and two-finger drag for zoom and pan, and press tools like select and brushes as you would on desktop. Save frequently to OneDrive so your work syncs back to mobile. If the connection feels laggy or touch input doesn't register, switch protocols between RDP and Parsec, update GPU/touch drivers on the host, and reduce resolution or frame rate to improve responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.